Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala Muhammad ibn Abdullah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man ittaba'a hudah. Amma ba'd. I'd like to address an argument put forth by atheists. I've come across multiple times actually. And the argument goes something like the universe is random, therefore there is no creator. First of all, what does it mean for something to be random? According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary, randomness is the state or quality of being or seeming random, as in lacking or seeming to lack a definite plan, purpose, or pattern. So, in light of that definition, is our universe random, really? And if it were, can we trust our own thought processes to come to that conclusion? Because if the universe were random, then our thought processes are also random since they are part of this universe. Therefore, how can we really trust that? So what does it really mean to be random? I'll give an example to illustrate that and show that there really is no randomness in this universe. Let's say you're studying the movement of a star, and you study it and you try to figure out how the star is moving. But after years of studying this movement of the star, you're unable to determine how the star moves. You're unable to come up with a formula. So you say the movement of the star is random. But are you really definitely saying there's no way to determine how the star is moving? Or are you saying that at this moment in time, I am unable to determine a way to figure out how the star is moving? I believe it is the latter, not the former. And so randomness doesn't really exist, and we see that when we look at the world around us. And before we do that, we look at ourselves. Look at how your eyebrows are placed there so that the sweat coming off of your forehead doesn't enter your eyes and harm them. How your nose is next to your mouth so you're able to smell the food before you actually ingest it. How the day and night cycle affect the way you sleep, and people who have worked night shifts can attest to that. Working night shifts because we were not made to work at night. When you do work a night shift, it takes a toll on your body, on your memory, on your mood. And so all of these things, not random. The fact that we are doing science, we are conducting experiments, doing studies, doing research. If the universe were random, what is the point of conducting an experiment today when the results will carry no meaning in the future because there's no repeating pattern? But because we do know that these results are going to be repeating themselves, we do them today to learn about what's going to happen in the future and how to manipulate these results and things around us in the universe in order to benefit ourselves the most. And finally, I'd like to add, theoretically speaking, if the universe were random, which we've already concluded, we wouldn't be able to come to the conclusion that it is random because we cannot even trust our own thought processes. But if it were, theoretically, that does not mean there is no creator. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.